Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm here with another data science book recommendation. Today's book is The Man Who Knew the Way to the Moon. Now, this book might be a little bit harder for you to obtain because I think it's only an audio book, and I believe it's only available on audible.com, but really a great book. Basically, when the space program was trying to go to the moon, there were two competing ideas on how the astronauts were going to actually get to the moon, whether they were going to use an orbiting system around the moon or whether they were going to actually use a moon lander to physically land on the moon. And it turns out that there was really only one man within the space program that was advocating for the lunar landing type of approach, which was ultimately chosen. So the book walks through both the personal and the bureaucratic challenges that man had to go through and he had to overcome. So there's a lot of parallels there for data scientists who have to deal with stakeholders when it comes to deployment, when it comes to kind of selling your algorithms. So for that, I really enjoyed the book, and I think that data scientists could really benefit from it. Again, it might be a little bit difficult for you to obtain, but really worthwhile. It's a really well done book. And if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.